look at this 2013 Mini Cooper Countryman. Carfax has certified this Cooper Countryman as having one owner. This Cooper Countryman has just under 13,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 25 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 31 on the highway. This Cooper Countryman boasts a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 6-speed Steptronic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 6-speed automatic transmission, carbon black, color line, carbon black, interior color, flat load floor, satellite radio, absolute black metallic, carbon black, leatherette seat trim, cold weather package and the premium package too. Call 877-705-4076 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.